Okay, so here we go. Summer 2025 is almost over. 2026 is basically knocking on the door, and guess what? I'm still out here vlogging with the GoPro from 2019. Yeah, the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Let that sink in. And I do it by choice. So go ahead, grab your coffee or maybe something a bit stronger, because we're diving into why I still use this prehistoric action cam and why you might not need to upgrade either. Alright, so I'm not going to rehash the entire story about how and when I got this GoPro. That Oscar-worthy video is linked in the description, so go treat yourself. However, where I left off was simple. The GoPro Hero 8 just worked, and for the longest time I genuinely saw no reason to jump ship and chase every shiny new action cam on the market. You know, the Hero 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. They all came and went like limited edition Starbucks drinks. But I'll admit it, my stance has shifted just a smidge. Now, I've made some upgrades to my setup, not with a new GoPro model. This is about leveling up my Hero 8 to become an actual vlogging unit. So here's what I did. So before, I was just tossing the old GoPro on a mini tripod and calling it a day. Quick and dirty. It got the job done, but the sound was, not so great. So my first upgrade was I slapped on the GoPro audio adapter. You know, that awkward dongle that GoPro basically made in a cave with scraps. Well, that let me plug in either my Saramonic or my Neewer wireless mics, and the audio, noticeably better. But there's always a catch, right? So the adapter has all the elegance of a drunk octopus. You know, it dangles, it flops, it's just annoying. You need a cage to make it make sense. But not just any cage. No, not that easy. Because unlike GoPro 3 through 7, which were all practically twins, the Hero 8 decided to be the awkward middle child with a completely different body and size. No shared accessories, no love, just vibes. So naturally, accessory manufacturers were like, yeah, we're done with that one. So finding a cage with the specific slot for the audio adapter for the GoPro Hero 8 was like trying to find a Blockbuster membership in 2025. I searched Amazon and I scoured eBay. One seller even wanted $150 for a scratched up cage with missing pieces. I considered it for about 3 seconds, then I slapped myself and moved on. Now eventually, after stalking KEH and B&H like a camera gear ninja, I snagged one for 25 bucks. Score. Solid, metal, rugged, like it had been forged in the fires of Mordor, but with a 1/4-20 thread. And once I had the cage, well, it was game on. See, it supports 52mm filters, so I slapped on a 52 to 58mm step-up ring and boom, my old ND filters from 2019 were back in action. Total budget Frankenstein, but it works like magic. And I add in the Telesin rechargeable selfie stick and my mini tripod. Suddenly, it becomes a vlogging beast. 1 minute, I'm holding it vlog style, the next minute it's standing tall for time lapses. Then I actually took it a step further. So my second Hero 8, that's my POV cam now. It mounts around my neck with the Telesin neck strap, so I can film POV while I work on stuff, all while talking to the camera like it's my own DIY dual cam setup. And it's ridiculous how good all of this is for the price. Look, do I want to try the DJI Pocket 3? Absolutely. It looks dope. But right now, I'm still stoked with the setup that I've built around the GoPro Hero 8. The quality still holds up, the sound is dialed in, the modularity is finally there, and the creativity that it allows, that's what matters most. So here we are, almost 2026, I'm still vlogging like it's 2019, and honestly, I love it. I don't know, drop me a comment below. What's your favorite outdated but still awesome piece of gear? Do you still use it? And did you add any extras to make it more suitable for your needs? I'm curious to know. Remember, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell for all future videos. Also hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack, as well as my upcoming photo print collection. And until next time, get out there and shoot. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.